Hello, my free work is speak about traffic conditions in big cities. Traffic congestion is a common problem uh, in big cities around the world. As urban populations grow and more people use personal vehicles, roads become increasingly crowded. This leads to slower travel times, uh, increased fuel consumption, and higher levels of air pollution. Rush hours, typically in the morning and evening, are the worst times as commuters flood the roads to get to work or return home. Such transportation, uh, public transportation, such as buses, uh, and trains, is one solution to reduce traffic. Uh, some cities also implement measures like carpool lanes, uh, congestion charts, or promote uh, to improve traffic flow. Despite these efforts, traffic despite these efforts, traffic remains amidst the traffic or remains in many urban areas.